Hi, my name is Artem. People call me Art. I'm a certified senior IT project manager here in Calgary, Alberta. That's the day job. I have loved cars since I was a kid. The specs, the engines, the history, I know all of it. But I have never once gotten my hands dirty. No experience, no garage, not even a driveway. I live in a condo. But that is about to change. You know that feeling when the dealer calls you and says, spark plugs, that's 300, cabin air filter 60, hitch install another 700, well, you name it. And every time you think, well, the car can wait another year. Not anymore. Every video I take the job the dealer charges you for. I do it myself and I show you everything, the cost, the time, what went wrong, whether a regular person can actually pull it off. The next video I'm going to show you my own family cars, the ones I'm serving myself for the first time. Fair warning, I have no idea what I'm doing on YouTube either. First video, first time on camera, well, we will figure it out together. Between the videos, find me on Instagram and TikTok. I post there before anything goes up here. The PM Garage YYC, link in the description below. My name is Art, it's a great sunny day in Alberta. Let's do it!